again. It's a rich thing.
Hello guys, today in this video, we're going to help you to find out the best air fryers in market. I made this list based on my personal opinion, and I tried to list them based on their quality, durability, customer review and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check our links in the description below.
Again, it's a rich thing.
Number 10. Ninja DZ71 Foodie Flex Basket Air Fryer. Ninja has had dual zone air fryers for a few years, but allowing for this flex zone is a game changer for the versatility of an air fryer of this size. The benefits of a dual zone air fryer are obvious. Make your tater tots on one side and your salmon on the other. Cook to time and temp independently of one another all at once. The flex option allows for the one thing air fryer owners always covet: more surface area and real estate for foods you don't want to stack and shuffle midway through cooking. Our tests found this air fryer worked well on chicken wings and hand-cut fries. Our litmus test for all air fryers, where it lacked in some arenas. The separate baskets sometimes fluctuated independently of one another. It excelled where it counts. It's user-friendly, large in capacity when it needs to be, and has the versatility that large families and frequent hosts will appreciate. Number 9. Cosori Pro Air Fryer. For something that looks nice and fits neatly on the countertop, this 5-quart Cosori air fryer is the best budget air fryer pick. It gave excellent results for performance at a lower price than any 4 to 6 quart models we tested. We found it surprisingly roomy for a 5-quart, which is a pleasant surprise for any air fryer basket. It has a preheat cycle which can make it more efficient at quickly crisping foods. The fries, wings, and shrimp fared well. It has a bright, easy-to-use display and comes clean with no extra effort. The temperature and time are also easily adjustable down to the minute, which other air fryers lack in precision. In our recent tests, we've tried other Cosori air fryer models like the Cosori Pro 2 and found the results didn't live up to the Prola, which has less finicky controls and works better on vegetables like Brussels sprouts and bok choy. Number 8. Cuisinart Basket Air Fryer. They say a washed pot never boils, but if you are someone who loves to watch their food cook anyway, this air fryer is for you. It performed all cooking tasks well, crisping fries and cooking juicy chicken breasts with no problems. Our cake was also baked well, and we could see it all happen. This model also comes with more presets than the Instant Vortex Plus, so if you're someone who likes to use specific settings to cook, this model might be preferable for you. We don't love the buttons to change the temperature and time. A knob is much easier to use. Cook everything from simple snacks to main meals with a versatile Cuisinart registered basket air fryer. This countertop cooker lightens up fried foods with fast and even hot air-powered cooking, using little or no oil, for making healthy meals with the crispy crunch you love. Number 7. Instant Vortex 6-quart air fryer. During our tests, we found the Instant Vortex cooked with more power than other air fryers, delivering crispy, evenly cooked food every time. That said, we did notice a whirring sound while it works, although it's no louder than a microwave. We also love the size. The 6-quart capacity is large enough to hold a whole pound of chicken. The interface on the Instant Vortex is also very user-friendly, with a touch screen for pre-programmed settings and a dial that can up the temp in 5-degree increments. And with just 4 settings, beginners won't be confused about what to use when. It also has a sleek angular look that you won't mind seeing on your countertop every day. Number 6. Instant Vortex Mini 2 Mini Air Fryer. While most air fryer models have a nearly 6-quart capacity, this model can only hold less than half that, making it ideal for cooking for one. Its tiny footprint also means it takes up less room on your counter and fits perfectly in a dorm room, apartment, or RV. In the smaller heating volume brown to fries, chicken, and cake, we tested in it just as well as the Instant Vortex models. We also prefer this digital interface, which is easier to program than our former pick, which was manual. The Instant Vortex trademark air fryer is perfect for easily creating quick and delicious meals. With Oven Crisp trademark technology, you'll get crispy, tender results every time. The size is perfect for small households and compact enough to keep on your countertop without taking up space. Built-in smart cooking programs make it simple to use, with customizable programs for easy cooking and overheat protection trademark for safety. Number 5. Ninja 4-Quart Air Fryer. This model is sturdy, compact, and feels like it's made of quality materials. A boon when a lot of air fryer models can feel like they are made of flimsy plastic that gets too hot to touch. At 4 quarts, this model is the ideal size for cooking for 2 people and cooked all the foods we tested to a beautiful golden brown and with crisp texture. Its handy, multi-function display gives it a more functional appearance than that of a futuristic robot. Plus, you can dehydrate with this model, which slows the heated air that circulates around the food so it gradually dries out kale, apple slices, and more for healthy fruit and veggie chips and other dehydrated foods. Number 4. Ninja Foodi 8-Quart Dual Zone Air Fryer. If you're already an air fryer convert, then you know how diverse they are. Perhaps it's time to take it to the next level. Enter the slim-profiled Ninja Foodi with its double 4-quart baskets. Take advantage of Foodi's Smart Finish feature. Finish 2 different foods cooking at different times and temps at the same time. Think chicken breasts and French fries. They did great in our tests. Or the match cook setting for larger amounts of the same food or cook different foods using the same function, temperature and time. The Foodi also dehydrates in addition to broil, bake and roast. Number 3. Instant Vortex 9-Quart Air Fryer. This Instant Vortex model boasts the 9-quart capacity, which is the largest of any basket-style air fryer we've tested. A removable divider makes it easy to turn this air fryer into one cooker for a large crowd. You can fit a whole bag of frozen French fries in here easily, up to 2 pounds of chicken breasts, and even a larger cake pan. The machine crisped up fries and chicken evenly and baked the cake well. When adding the divider, the machine can cook 2 foods at once, so we tried it with French fries and bacon and both turned out well. We like the digital interface and knob for changing the temperature. This model is on the larger side, though, so you'll want to make sure you have room for it on your countertop and in your pantry for storage. Number 2. Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro. While the original Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer is a more mid-sized machine at a lower price point, we found in testing the Breville Smart Oven Air Fryer Pro is worth the extra money and space it occupies. The digital interface makes it an intuitive machine with 13 preset functions including air fry, slow cook, roast, broil, bake, cookies, pizza, toast, bagel, reheat, proof, dehydrate, and warm. The rack levels are printed right on the door for ease of use. This model does a preheat cycle for most settings, which is an additional step and takes a few extra minutes, but it adds a level of precision in the cooking not seen in many of the other machines. This did every task perfectly and in a short amount of time. It has a spring-loaded door, which takes a minute to get used to, but then is a nice feature. Number 1. Instant Vortex Plus 6-Quart Air Fryer. If you're looking for a powerful air fryer that's good for most home cooks, the Instant Vortex Plus is for you. The Instant Vortex Plus model is designed with a roomy basket and a sleek exterior. The interface on the Instant Vortex Plus is also very user-friendly with a touch screen for pre-programmed settings and a dial that can up the temp in 5-degree increments. It performed all of our cooking tasks perfectly, churning out crispy fries, juicy chicken, and a well-baked cake. We found the dehydrate function perfectly dried fresh strawberries, and we could see it working well on other produce. The one downside of the model is the broil function, which is preset at 400 degrees F for 2 minutes. We tested out broiling mac and cheese topped with extra cheese and breadcrumbs and found that neither browned particularly well.